And welcome back! Look, they came back.
That or this is their first episode.
That too. Alrighty, so welcome back or to our channel, which is In Your Dreams, where we help your dreams become your reality. So this week's episode is going to be about dreams. And what are dreams?
Everybody knows a dream is a wish that your heart makes.
Or it's the textbook definition, which is a cherished aspiration, ambition, or ideal. And what that actually means is an ambition or aspiration is something that you want. It's a dream is something that you want to make happen. And it can be anything. Like Jess, what's your dream?
Oh goodness, there's so many to choose from, but I guess my biggest dream right now is to go to Brazil.
She wants to travel.
Oh yeah.
So, how would you go about going to Brazil?
Oh.
How would you make that dream happen?
So I guess the big one would be money, because, you know, who doesn't need more money? And two, paperwork, whether you want to visit there, you want to live there, you want to study there. Then a big one that most of us forget about is learning the culture. That way that when you go over there, you don't do anything that isn't outside of what they expect from you. Whether you're a tourist or not, you have to be considerate.
That's definitely a very good thing. One of my big dreams is learning other languages. And languages take a lot of work, unless you just, you know, wake up one day and can speak a bunch of languages, which they only do that in the movies. I'm sure somebody in the world can actually do that, but I can't. It would take a lot of hard work, it takes a lot of time, and it definitely takes a lot of motivation to stay with it, because you have to get involved with other people, and you have to practice it. So whether you have dreams of leaving the country and learning other cultures, or whether you just want to learn another language for yourself, dreams come in all shapes and sizes, and they come in all time frame durations.
Yeah, no matter how big or small the dream is, you could change somebody's oil, change your own oil. You could want to change a light bulb, something small, or something that's going to take more than 3 years, like planning a trip to Brazil, because
You need to save up that money first,
yes,
don't you?
I do need to save up that money.
Dreams are something that are wonderful to shoot for. Your aspirations are something that you want to strive for. You want to move forward in your life. So your goals, your dreams, everything you want to do that way. It's amazing when you get to accomplish things. So whether you're looking to do something small like change your oil or change a light bulb, which we'll also do videos on those later, so stay tuned. Or if you want to go to Brazil or travel, which stay tuned for those too, because hopefully we'll get to do those in 3 years from now or less. We'll be following her to Brazil, which could definitely make for some interesting screen time later on, so I'm looking forward to that one. But we want to hear from you. We want to hear what your dreams are, so
comment below and let us know what your dreams are, because your dreams create your reality.
thanks guys.
Thank
Have a
you.
wonderful day.
Bye.